Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again and we're gonna slay a look with this baby. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back. I'm actually gonna play with this palette right here from Juvia's place. It's Olori 3. I actually did a couple videos ago and I did Olori 1. I didn't want to do 2 because it's very blue and I feel like I've done like a lot of blue looks on my channel, so I'm like I'm still gonna use a blue today, but like the other one is like literally a blue palette. So we're gonna jump in. First I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Unfortunately this does not have any names, so we're gonna go into this shade, but I feel like I might need something a little bit darker, but we'll see. Let's not jump ahead of ourselves and let's go to top. We just stamping. We're not really blending, or maybe we blend in a little bit but not too much. I feel like the brush might be a little bit too big for like the further parts, but we'll see. Might need something just a little bit smaller. So we're gonna take this. This is from Makeup by Yolondo. This is a what? A 208. I feel like that might be better for where I want to put it. Here. My Crease. How you say this word again? Chrysanthemum tea. I've been drinking all the different type of stuff, but I like cheese and sparkling water. Those are my favorite. This is what this is. 211, and I'm gonna just blend the edges just a little bit. So okay, now I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Just gonna use that to blend the edges. Okay, I am gonna coat the crease. I know it looks messy, it's fine. To cut my crease, I'm actually gonna try using a cleansing oil, and this one's from Crease. I hate cut crease. I hate it. I hate it with a passion. I'm not sure why I keep doing them, but I'm gonna go in with my C10. And what is my... See, I just had it and I can't find it. No, I don't want it. Well, right here, B base. Then I'm gonna put some at the back of my hands, like so. But I'm tired. I actually worked today and then I'm recording because my video stash is getting pretty low, so I need to get it back up. I took like so many time off, and because of that I went through my stash pretty quickly. So like this is a little bit maybe higher than I wanted it, but it's fine. These brushes are actually not my favorite brushes to cut my crease because I feel like they're so big. And maybe if you have like a lot of like lid space, it might work out for you, But for me, not so much. Cause I'll be like, you know, I'll be struggling for some lid space. It's struggling. I switched my brush to a CC9. And that's also by Makeup by Yolondo, but it's smaller. I feel like if you have lid space like me, this size brush is better. I do need something. Alright, this is work. This is a T41 from Morphe. Nope, Makeup Shack. I'm just putting a little bit of this down. This is just for like Kuma. Yes, a base. Just a little base. So then that gold can just go on. Okay, now we're gonna go into that blue. It's like ice blue, you know, to just gonna go with like winter, an icy winter look. So I live in Texas. We're in December. It's actually pretty hot in December. But I'm not complaining because earlier in the year we had like a crazy winter storm. I mean, it wasn't crazy. It's nothing like up north don't experience all the time. However, Texas can't handle that. So we were out of water. Some people, well, I was out of water. Some people had no water, no electricity. So it was just crazy. We can't handle it. We don't have the infrastructures to handle it. The roads can't handle it. Our water system, our grid can't handle it. So we just need to not have it. I know, like, you know, I know a ton of people are like, oh, well, up north is really bad all the time. Yeah, but up north can't handle it. We can't. And by no means am I comparing like winter storms up north to the winter storms that we got here, but the consequences were so much worse here. So much worse because, you know, we're built that way. And I'm just gonna put this right here. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. Took way too long, but you already know how I go with cut crease. Not my thing, but you know, we're gonna keep doing it, right? Okay, so today I prime my face with this Jacka Black Hydrating Primer. I don't know. I feel like this just makes my face feel like almost like you put like Vaseline, like it's real like slippery. I don't like primers like that, but we already have it, so that's what we're wearing. Let's actually go with this. I haven't wear this foundation for a minute. This is from Laura Mercier and it's the Flawless Fusion, and I'm gonna use my Flawless brush from Makeup by Yolondo. So don't come for me. I know I just put it over my lip because I feel like it's better to just do this than for it to be like half on the lip and half not, because they look super gross. But I wipe it off. Isn't there like a DJ that's called Hella Yella? That's how I look. I love this foundation. It's like it's full coverage. It's full coverage for sure. So some freckles here, you don't even see this. So it is full coverage, which I love. I'm gonna use my Hourglass Concealer and let that marinate for a second. I'm gonna use this if I can get it out of this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna use this. This is from Fashion Fear. It's actually a foundation stick, but as I have said in my previous videos, I don't like to use foundation sticks for foundation. I like to use them for contour. Like this looks like it's gonna be a cool contour too. What shade is this? Walnut. Whimsy Walnut. Whimsy Walnut look like it is something else. Okay, let's start with this. This is a 420. This is better. This is a 405, which this is my favorite brush to do this. So this concealer 2 is full coverage. Like, I'm like a full coverage queen today. I'm using my destination brush from Makeup by Yolondo with my Micro Smooth powder from Sephora. And I'm leaving it kind of heavy because I'm gonna go and do my under eye. So yeah, so if you don't, you know, speak to people for the smallest thing, or have, you know, just ask yourself, like, man, is it worth it? I mean, there are some people I don't speak to, but I don't, and that could be how you look at yours too. I don't necessarily think like the reason why I don't speak to them is later. I just look at it like, if you don't bring anything positive to my life, then I don't need you in there. So yeah. that may be not any different from you not talking to the person. Maybe that is the reason, but I don't know. This girl needs some lip action, like, you know, some, take him out of the gutter. I mean, like some lip something, like, my lip needs to get a scrub down. I don't. What to do? Oh, maybe I'll just go in with this shade. This is 217. No, 215 for Makeup by Yolondo. See, I had like a really icy blue, but I can't find it. Electric Empire, that's actually green. Oh, I need to dust this off. Let's put a little bit of that blue, like kind of in my inner corner. Okay, let's jump in with the bronzer. For bronze, I'm gonna go ahead and use this today. This is the Mixed Race from Makeup by Yolondo. I'm gonna use this shade right here, I guess, maybe. We're gonna go ahead and use this from Shein. That mix all 3 shades. And now we're gonna jump in with this. This is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 2. Put a little bit. Trying to find something to line my lip. I'm actually gonna line my lip maybe a little bit dark. And then we can go in with that. So I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Rich Brown. And then I'm gonna use this from Chanel. It is the Rouge. It's the 208 Metallic Red. Okay, let us dust the face. Let's crimp my wig a little bit so it come out. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun. I love Juvia's Place shadows. Like the formula is amazing. However, sometimes I feel like they just kind of repurpose the colors, so that's why I don't buy too much of their stuff. But yeah, I kind of like this collection, so I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and, you know, get some of those. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.